Hello from sunny Jamaica. Oh my God, Jamaica, sweetie, sweetie, sweet. So I'm here in Jamaica, heading up this beautiful hill right there, this mountain, and admiring the mountain views, which you will see in the background. All that beautiful mountain views here in Jamaica, in Mandeville. You know what, guys? Something happened while I'm here. I have never experienced this ever before in Jamaica. Never ever have I experienced cold weather here in Jamaica. I mean, when I tell you that here in Mandeville the temperature goes as low as in the 50s, you know, and then of course like around 6-7 o'clock in the morning it maybe reaches 60 or so degree. Somewhere along throughout the day it may touch like 70, the low 70s. Like right now it's I think it's around after 6 and it's very cool. Very cool in Jamaica, and I can't believe that Jamaica would have weather like this, you know. So when I tell you that in the nighttime I have to grab a blanket, and I'm talking about those fluffy blankets with the cushion, the what is it, like cotton in between, just to stay warm, cover my head just to stay warm. That's what I have to do. And I'm coming from the US. I've never, so I know what cold weather is like because I'm coming from the state, but to experience this type of weather in Jamaica to me is unprecedented. I've never experienced anything like that before. So the funny thing about this is that my family, they were telling me that Jamaicans are like in shock with this cold weather. So they'll find Jamaicans walking around in jackets. Like, where do they get these winter jackets from? I do not know. We're talking jackets and gloves. I mean, I don't think it's as cold to the point where you need that. But for those who are not used to this type of weather, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot for them. So you'll see somebody walking around in town in their flip-flops, but they'll have like a jacket on and gloves just to stay warm. Yeah. Touching the 50s, 60s, even low 70s. That's not like Jamaica, you know. But the weather's changing everywhere. Definitely changing everywhere. So that's what I'm experiencing right now in Jamaica. Of course, they're working on homes over here. This is a really nice community. This is such a nice community. Look at those mansions. I don't know if you guys can see the mansions. Let me see if I can. I don't know if I can zoom it in, but anyhow, those are mansions on the other side. Huge homes. Huge homes. Wow. So this is my family's backyard, and I'm just kind of walking around. Seems like I can't go anywhere because there's a fence. Lord Jesus, we're tapping at Ansness. Let me head back down. Ansness everywhere. Look there. Everywhere in the grass. So this is what we're experiencing here in Jamaica. Very, very cold weather. Can you believe it? But like right now it's cool. Very, very cool. This is what I'm wearing. this kind of African outfit here. So comfortable. And also it keeps me a little warm as well. I mean, this is actually nice weather for me. I love it. That means I'm not hot and I'm not burning up. But you know how it is usually when you come to Jamaica. The first thing as soon as you land, then you step off that plane, man. As soon as you step outside the airport, it's like that heat that usually hits you. It's not like that right now. It's not like that right now. You're not passing out from that Jamaican heat. It's very, very cool. Very cool. Kind of makes me wonder what the beach water is like. Will it be cold? Don't know yet. If I get a chance to go to the beach, I guess I will find out when I get there. Alright, y'all, I just wanted to update you on this very strange weather that we're having in Jamaica. It's very strange.